we're gonna make some Play-Doh animals, and we're gonna see who wins. So vote whose animal won
in the comments below.
All right. Which one you like the best, right?
Yeah.
Beat.
I'm gonna get this.
What are you doing this time?
I'm gonna make a cow.
You're doing a cow again?
Yeah.
30 seconds left.
Ah! Okay, I'm going to do a pig this time. I need something to poke.
20 seconds.
Ah! Shoot.
This is so cute cow.
Three,
Ah!
2,
Okay.
1.
Show, do a zoom in.
Stop.
Okay. Zoom in.
This is my cow.
Bring the camera
There
closer.
is no zooming in.
Yeah, bring the camera closer.
What is this?
A cow. Oink.
Now let's see the pig. I bet it's a pig because it's snorting.
It's a cow. Moo.
All right, vote for mine.
Vote for mine. It's a cow.
In the comments below, say hashtag vote for Shelby to vote for the cow, and do hashtag vote for Kim in the comments to vote for her.
I'm smashing my cow.
Bye.